Plant FAQs, Ctenanthe Lubbersiana. Living with the Ctenanthe Lubbersiana, a guide for plant enthusiasts. The Ctenanthe Lubbersiana, also known as the golden mosaic or never-never plant, has become a constant source of joy in my life. Its stunning foliage, with vibrant green leaves splashed with streaks of yellow, adds a touch of the tropics to my home. But like any houseplant, the Ctenanthe Lubbersiana requires some specific care to thrive. Over the past year, I've learned a lot about this beauty, and I'm excited to share my experience with you. See more 15 species in genus Ctenanthe at monsteraholic.com. This captivating plant is native to the rainforests of Brazil. It belongs to the Marantaceae family, known for their prayer plant relatives. While the Ctenanthe Lubbersiana doesn't exhibit the dramatic folding of prayer plants, its charm lies in its captivating leaves and elegant, upright growth habit. Ctenanthe Pilosa versus Lubbersiana. For the longest time, I was obsessed with finding the elusive Ctenanthe Pilosa, a prayer plant known for its stunning lime green veins against deep emerald leaves. Imagine my disappointment when I finally got one home, only to realize the new leaves unfurled a pale, almost sickly yellow. Turns out, I had unknowingly adopted a Ctenanthe Lubbersiana. Don't get me wrong, the Lubbersiana's white veins are pretty, but they lack the vibrant contrast I craved. Finding the perfect spot for your Ctenanthe Lubbersiana. To keep your Ctenanthe Lubbersiana happy, mimicking its natural rainforest environment is key. Here's what I've discovered about its ideal living conditions. Light. Bright, indirect light is best. Harsh afternoon sun can scorch the delicate leaves. A spot near an east-facing window is perfect. Temperature. Warmth is its friend. Aim for temperatures between 65 degrees Fahrenheit and 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 27 degrees Celsius. Avoid placing it near cold drafts or air conditioners. Humidity. High humidity is essential. Grouping your Ctenanthe Lubbersiana with other humidity-loving plants or using a humidifier can help create a more tropical atmosphere. Watering wisely. Keeping your Ctenanthe Lubbersiana hydrated. The Ctenanthe Lubbersiana prefers consistently moist soil, but not soggy. Here's my watering routine. Watering. Water deeply when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. Allow excess water to drain freely from the drainage holes. Empty any water that collects in the saucer to prevent root rot. Water quality. Avoid using tap water with high fluoride or chlorine content, as this can damage the leaves. Opt for filtered or rainwater if possible. Giving your Ctenanthe Lubbersiana a boost. Fertilizing tips. While not a heavy feeder, a light feeding during the growing season, spring and summer, can benefit your plant. Here's what I recommend. Fertilizer. Use a balanced, diluted liquid fertilizer once a month during spring and summer. Follow the instructions on the fertilizer package carefully. Why is my Ctenanthe Lubbersiana turning yellow? Yellowing leaves can be a cause for concern, but fear not. Here are some potential reasons and solutions. Underwatering. This is a common culprit. Ensure the soil is consistently moist, but not soggy. Overwatering. Root rot can develop from excessive moisture. Check for mushy roots and adjust your watering habits. Light issues. Too much direct sunlight can cause yellowing. Move your plant to a location with brighter indirect light. Nutrient deficiency. Lack of fertilizer can lead to yellowing leaves. Consider a light monthly feeding during the growing season. How to remove dead foliage from a Ctenanthe Lubbersiana. It's natural for older leaves to die off. Here's how to remove them without harming your plant. Wait for complete browning. Don't remove yellowing leaves. They might still be producing energy for the plant. Wait until the leaf is completely brown and dry. Snip it clean. Use sharp, sterilized pruning shears to snip the leaf stem close to the base of the plant. How to propagate Ctenanthe Lubbersiana. Sharing the beauty of your Ctenanthe Lubbersiana is easy. Here are 2 methods for propagation. Division. During repotting, you can carefully divide a mature plant into multiple sections, each with healthy roots and foliage. Plant each division in its own pot with well-draining potting mix. Stem cuttings. Take stem cuttings with at least 2 nodes, leaf junctions, during the growing season. Dip the cut end in rooting hormone, optional, and plant it in a pot with moist, well-draining potting mix. Cover the pot with a clear plastic bag to maintain humidity and place it in bright, indirect light. Conclusion. The rewarding journey with your Ctenanthe Lubbersiana. With proper care, your Ctenanthe Lubbersiana will reward you with its vibrant foliage and elegant presence. By providing the right amount of light, warmth, humidity, and moisture, you can create a haven for this tropical beauty.